Okay, just a quick promo here. If you haven't seen this painting from my previous episode, check it out as this whale, humpback whale, consumes the shoals of sardines. And on this side is the tail of fin of a humpback whale as it splashes into the water. So here we are, this canvas, 12 by 12 and 5 1/8 inch thick from Amazon. I think it's called Arteza. It's about 8 of them or 7 or 8 of them you can buy from Amazon. Let's see how this works. First time I bought this particular brand, and just want to show you where you can get them, or you can get a just plain old white canvas. That's fine, and just prime it black before we start this process. So here we are. So let's get started. Let's get this tape. It's plain old masking tape, Scotch blue. There you go. And here we are. Let's do this. Let's do this just like this here. Yep. And trust me, this will all make sense. Hopefully, down the road. Up. And let's see. Since you guys know that I do not like straight lines here, and here's what we're gonna do. You can see that? Yeah. Just I'm gonna tear this thing up like this, and see what we can get out of this. And yeah, just tear this. I did, and let's flip this over this way, and the remaining tape, yeah, let's not throw this away, make the most of it. And kind of overlap. There you go. So it's a masking tape to separate these two different worlds here. Two different paintings in one. So here, without further ado, let's get out a palette knife, and we can always adjust as we go along with this. The red, let's do the red. Go up like this, from here to up like this. There you go. A little bit more red here. Jackson Pollock action, as always. There you go. Ooh. Just let it fly. Just let it just drip. But you know what? I'm gonna have this area right here in the center a little bit more light. More splashing action right here. Yep. And you'll understand later on why I want to maintain this area a little bit more lighter. There you go. There you go. Nice little texture, little dance between white and red. Here, guys. There you go. And let's see what I can achieve with this. Okay. All right. Okay. There you go. Same process from left to right. That's all we're gonna do. And what am I gonna do here? Let's do a little bit of interesting texture here. Before we move on, let's do this. Yep. Okay, so texture, what does it mean? A little texture. There you go, a little bit of scratching action basically. Lots of circles, right? You don't have to, but yeah, just kind of. Yeah, curves. I like curves, as you can see. Okay, and you can choose to just use a wet on wet and continue to our next process, or for me, I like to kind of let it sit here and let this thing dry before we move on to our next stage. Alrighty, see you later. All right, so let's continue here. Let's give ourselves 15 minutes. What do you guys think right here? So here we are from the previous day. I'm gonna get out this, there you go, this masking tape to get things started for you. Oh, so a little leftover things. Always something, right, that we haven't anticipated right here. So here you go. Draw here. Let's see. Let's do this. So this tree, let's see right here, comes out here like this. This tree comes out, stems out from this, right? And then, yeah, this quick sketch right here, like this, is what I'm just kind of envisioning. What do you think? There you go. Right, and that's just a quick sketch right there. And coming over to this side, let's see, let's draw a line right here across like this. And this is another tree. This one is, let's see, more of a tree that's without leaves. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Tree that doesn't have leaves, just a lot of branches here. Here like this. Yep, that's how it is when winter comes along. These leaves, they fall. Made a mistake because green goes better against the backdrop of a red. But I haven't thought about it. Pre-planning process. Little bit of gold right here, gold color right here, right across. What do you guys say? A little bit of gold, just kind of letting it flow right here like that. Right, let's come back here now. Now this is going to be just the branches. Yeah, let's just have this just a branch, branching it off like that. Yeah, oops. Yep. you go. Just letting it just flow as we approach the 9-minute mark. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, just quickly. Quick painting is what we need to do. Coming back to this. And let's get our trusted toothpick. Oh, the weather. Oh, the sun is getting really too bright. Let's get a little bit of this action going. So, perfect. Make the adjustment depending on condition of the weather here. Let's see. And the leaf action right here. All right, let's do this. Yeah. And let's add a little of maybe a little highlight white right here like this. What do you guys think? A little bit of highlight. Yeah, there you go. And a little bit more action right here. Jackson Pollock action a bit more. Yeah. As we attack this side of the painting, 2-in-1 painting, if you will, and see how this these paintings mingle together with one another. Just having fun, relaxing. Nature, always growing, or either dying or growing, and getting ready for a new life. There you go, that's that. So I think that's pretty good right here, right? Okay, so let's come back here. Okay, right here. Oops, there you go. This is a little bit of a challenge. We're just portraying just a branch. So lots of spikes is what I'm kind of envisioning right now. I don't know, just kind of spontaneous. Winter time where the leaves fall off and you know, just white, lots of white indicating winter time. Okay, so let's add a little bit more gold here. And it just spikes out like this. Yeah, just kind of spikes out. Yeah, just kind of spikes out. Yeah, we'll mix this in, you guys, don't worry. Alright, so here we are. So 2 paintings in one. This time 2 trees, right? One in summer, lots of foliage, and one here, as you can see, Let me flip this around here for one last time. Winter time when the leaves fall off, lots of branches, but it's all part of life, part of nature, circle of life. A little cliche there for us. But hey, I hope you guys like this painting as much as I enjoy painting them. You can actually hang this, I guess like this, but you can actually hang this along this line right here, like this. So, I don't know, it's up to you guys, but hope you guys like this painting as much as I enjoyed painting them. And I hope to see you guys again for another wonderful day of creation. Bye for now.